All right, traders, I wanted to give you a sneak peek at this new potential trading system that I've been putting together privately behind the scenes. This is a product that I have lovingly named the Delta Renko. It's basically a trading system that combines Renko charts with market delta, or what they call cumulative delta. All right. And this is a system that I have released to my long-term customers and clients. They've been beta testing it for the last 3 months. The results have been spectacular. And I wanted to give you guys and gals out there in YouTube land kind of a taste on what it might be like to trade a system without relying on any third-party external indicator whatsoever. All right, because this particular trading system does not use any indicators at all. Instead, we are simply relying on the bars and market price action. That's it. Okay. Now, quick time and temperature check. It is currently 11:50 p.m. Yes, you read that correctly. We're coming up on midnight, and at the very minimum, this video should prove to you guys and gals how dedicated I am to trading. Like, when I wake up in the morning, man, all I do is look at charts. And then when I go to bed, all I do is look at charts. Like, this is my life. I love trading, and I love surrounding myself with customers and clients who feel the same, right? Passionate, hungry to learn, and more important than anything else, the energy to drive your trading and continuously get better each day than you were the day before. All right, so anyway, first thing I want to do is take a look at my live P&L here. You can see the unrealized P&L for you guys that don't know. Unrealized P&L is the profits that you have on a trade that you haven't closed out yet. All right, and it should be pretty self-explanatory when you look at my charts. I have an open position on, like here's the entry, here's the stop loss. This green line up here is the target. You could say the profit target, and I need the market to rip, keep going higher, and hit this green line here. All right, that's another cool thing about this trading system. It's got the profit targets baked right into it. All right, and what I want to just quickly do here is I want to just test the math here to see if the P&L is matching up to like what it's supposed to. So you can see here I'm currently up 55 or 56 ticks. Let's just do 55 ticks times $5 a tick times 3 contracts. This is in my live account, by the way. I always trade a minimum of like 3 to 4 contracts on every trade on the NQ. All right, anyway, we hit equal here. We should be sitting on $825 approximately in profit. And if we take a look at the P&L again, you can see it's pretty close, right? It's ticking around, so, 700, 800, 900. This is the nature of trading, right? It's going to keep ticking around. But yeah, I wanted to just show you guys the unlimited potential, man, of trading futures. Like, this is a market that has significantly changed my trading forever. Like, I'm telling you, nothing beats trading futures and or Forex. Like, I don't care about stocks. I don't care about options. I don't care about crypto. Like, for me, the money, the profits, and the action is in futures and Forex. And this particular system where we combine Renko and market delta, I think a lot of you guys and gals out there who do actively trade futures and Forex, I think you're going to appreciate this system, man. So keep an eye out on your inbox and your email. You never know when we're going to go live with this new system. Like I said, it is currently in active beta with all of my long-term customers and clients. Those are the people that have been with me forever. They've believed in me since day one. So of course, my long-term customers and clients are always going to get the good stuff first. But for everybody else, I wanted to show you that futures trading is incredible. It's amazing. Like, here we are at basically midnight. All right, and we've already made a really nice chunk of change. You know what I'm saying? This is all in my live account. All right, this is a great start to, I guess you could say, my next day's trading. Just love adding money, adding ticks to the bank, and starting tomorrow's trading on a really good note. All right. Anyway, for anyone out there who's serious and you're not wasting time, get at me. If I feel like you bring something of value to the table, then I'll probably give you a nice one-on-one demo of this new Delta Renko trading system. All right. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Stay hungry, stay motivated, and above all else, stay disciplined.